Electrical installation and maintenance. Our topic is electrical supplies and materials. Electrical supplies and materials. Electrical materials are developed and constructed for a special purpose such as to Number 1. To control the flow of current in an electrical circuit. Number 2. To carry electrical current from the source to the load or current-consuming apparatus. Number 3. To hold and secure wires to its fixtures inside and outside houses and buildings. And, to protect the houses, buildings, appliances and instruments from any destruction and damage. The electrical supplies and materials used in electrical installation and maintenance are: First, the convenience outlet. A device that acts as a convenient source of electrical energy for current-consuming appliances. It is where the male plug of an appliance is inserted, and usually fastened on the wall or connected in an extension cord. Next is the male plug, a device inserted to a convenience outlet. To conduct electric current, a flat cord is attached to it on one end and the other end is connected to a current-consuming instrument or appliance. The lamp holders, also called a lamp socket or receptacles. A device that hold and protect the lamp. These come in many designs and sizes. They are classified as flush, hanging weather-proof or chain and surface types. The switch, a device that connects and disconnects the flow of electric current in the circuit. There are many shapes, designs and types of switch, and are classified as hanging, flush, and surface types. The fuse, a circuit protective device that automatically blows and cut the current when an overload or short circuit happens. The circuit breaker, a protective device used to automatically blows and cuts the current when trouble in the circuit such as short circuit or overload occurs. The junction box, an octagonal-shaped electrical material where the connections or joints of wires are being done. It is also where the flush-type lamp holder is attached. This could be made of metal or plastic. The utility box, a rectangular-shaped metallic or plastic PVC material in which flush-type convenience outlet and switch are attached. The flat cord, a duplex-stranded wire, used for temporary wiring installations and commonly used in extension cord assembly. It comes in a roll of 150 meters and with sizes of gauges from number 12 to number 22 American wire gauge. Next are the types of electrical wire or conductor. First, the stranded wire, which is made of multiple strands joined together to make a single wire. Letter B is the solid wire. It is made of a single strand copper or aluminum wire. These are used in wiring installation inside and outside the buildings. Next are the conduits or pipes, and electrical materials used as the passage of wires for protection and insulation. These could be rigid metallic, flexible metallic conduit, rigid non-metallic conduit or PVC, and the flexible non-metallic or corrugated plastic conduit. Next are the clamps, and electrical materials used to hold and anchor electrical conduits in its proper position. And lastly, the connectors, used to attach metallic or non-metallic conduit to the junction or utility boxes.
This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.